Subscribe my channel JS Technology Pro and click on the bell icon for get latest video update. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to new video of JS Technology Pro. In previous video, I will show you how to activate Flipkart Pay Later option. If you missed this video, then check the description of this video and watch it. And in this video, I will show you how to buy products by using Flipkart Pay Later option. And I also show you how to pay money in next month. Okay. So go to Flipkart and shop anything, but at first watch this video full because every step is very important. Then you gain in big billion days, and this is the India's biggest sales that you know. And please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video update. So let's start. For order by using Flipkart Pay Later, at first open Flipkart apps, then search any products. I have already added a product in my cart, so click on place order option. Then open order summary. Here you want to select your address, then continue. Here open payment window. Here you should select Flipkart Pay Later option, then click continue. And your order placed successfully.
So I ordered a product by using Flipkart Pay Later and it will be delivered. So now I will pay the money of the product. So go to my account, then go to Flipkart Pay Later. Here is my bill, is 108 rupees and I will pay this. So click on pay button. Then select your payment procedure option. I will select Google Pay UPI option, and you also use Phone Pay, UPI, credit and debit card, net banking also. So I will pay this. You see my bill is now 0. So to you my transaction, let's see. Thank you for watching this video.